One beautiful morning, Remy was walking through the forest. The sun was shining, the birds were singing, and Remy felt excited for a brand new day. Suddenly, something magical floated in front of him. Whoa, what is that?
Hi, Remy. I'm the letter A. Want to go on an adventure and learn some amazing words?
Yes, let's do it.
Remy found a shiny red apple hanging from a tree. A is for apple.
Apple.
Then he saw a tiny ant waving from a big leaf. A is for ant.
Hello, little ant.
A blue paper airplane flew above Remy's head. A is for airplane.
Wow, it's flying.
Great job, Remy. You learned apple, ant, and airplane.
Thank you, letter A.
See you next time with a new letter.